So hello friends, today I am at Rajut Avante project. It's in Joka, near Joka metro station. So we are seeing right now 3 BHK model flat of 1030 square feet. So please come. So this is the entry. So this is the living room. And this is the dining place. So just in front of that, you can see this is the balcony space, and you can have also washing machine points attached with that. So this is the lobby space. And we are entering into the kitchen space. It's a L pattern kitchen. So you can see the countertop. It's black granite countertop. Also you can do some furnishing over here. This is just a model for giving you an idea. And this is the first bedroom with a king size bed, and you can also see ample space is there. Also you can see this is the French type window. Just beside that, this is the wardrobe space up to ceiling height. You can design this wardrobe. So come this side. So this is the common toilet area with anti-skid tiles on the floor and ample space for bathing. Western commode is there with basin space. And just beside that, this is the second bedroom. We can see this as a kids bedroom. And the unique style of this kids bedroom is both the side we are having windows, and you can also decorate this kind of wardrobe space over here. So this is just a model to show you about the idea how you can decorate. So nice space. It's about 10 feet by 11 feet. And right now this is the master bedroom. So we are entering into the master bedroom, and in front of that you can see this is a space. You can utilize this as a dressing space. And this is the master bedroom attached toilet with ample shower space, western commode and basin area. And just beside that, this is the master bedroom with this king size bed. And here also you can see both the side we are having windows, and you can decorate likewise this wardrobe space. So overall excellent utilization of the space to maximize the carpet area. And you can see the sellable area is only 1030 square feet. Within that 1030 square feet you can get this 3 BHK with 2 toilets. So from my point of view, this is value for money. If you can consider the budget of this flat and the size of this flat, this is a compact 3 BHK. So again I am saying that this is the living cum dining room. So thank you everybody. Thanks for seeing this video. So if you are interested for this project, then please call us on the given number, and we are having some exciting offers for you for very limited period. So we request you to call us as soon as possible. And thank you for watching this video, and if you want to get more updates about this project, then please subscribe our channel and please click the bell icon to get notified. Thank you very much. Have a good day.